Good morning students. Students, now we are going to solve revision worksheet. So write down your name, standard, division and roll number on your worksheet. Let us start. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Matter that contains two or more constituent substances is called dash. So answer is mixtures. Number 2. Dash is used in medicine. Answer is silver, as silver contains antibacterial properties, so it is used in medicine. Number 3. The electron shell dash is nearest to the nucleus. So answer is the electron shell K is nearest to the nucleus. Number 4. The intermolecular force is dash in the particles of solid. So intermolecular force is maximum in the particles of solid. Number 5. Milk is an example of type of matter called dash. Milk is an example of type of matter called heterogeneous mixture. Number 6. The electronic configuration of magnesium is 282. From this, it is understood that the valence shell of magnesium is dash. Answer is shell M. Number 7. Gold of 100% purity is dash carat gold. So gold of 100% purity is 24 carat gold. The valence shell of hydrogen is 1 as per the molecular formula H2O. Therefore, valency of Fe turns out to be dash as per the formula Fe2O3. So student, the valency of Fe turns out to be 3 as per the molecular formula Fe2O3. Next, non-metal forms dash ions by gain of electrons. Non-metal form negative ion which is called as anion. Number 10. Electron, proton, neutron are the types of dash in an atom. So electron, proton, neutron are the types of subatomic particles in an atom. Question number 2. Identify the atom. First, carbon, bromine, sulfur, phosphorus. Odd term is bromine because bromine is in liquid state at normal temperature where others are in solid state. Number 2. Hydrogen, sodium, potassium, carbon. Carbon is an odd term because except carbon, other all elements are monovalent, means their valency is 1. Number 3. Gold, silver, iron, diamond. Here diamond is odd because diamond is non-metal and other all are metals. Number 4. Gold, silver, copper, brass. Here brass is odd term because brass is an alloy and other all are elements. Number 5. Brass, bronze, iron, steel. Answer is iron because iron is an element and others all are alloys. Number 6. Milk, lemon juice, carbon, steel. Carbon is an odd term because except carbon others all are mixtures. Number 7. Ductility, brittleness, sonority, malleability. Brittleness is an odd term because other all properties are metallic properties and brittleness is a property of non-metals. Number 8. Sugar, baking soda, salt, blue vitriol. Here sugar is an odd term because sugar is an organic compound and remaining all are inorganic compounds. Question number 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, electrons have different energies according to their orbits. Yes, it is true. Number 2, copper sulfate is a mixture. It is false because copper sulfate is a compound. Third, diamond is the hardest natural substance. Yes, diamond is hardest natural substance. It is true. Number 4, isotopes are used in the treatment of cancer. It is true. Number 5, a reddish color deposit is formed on iron by reaction with oxygen. Yes, it is correct. Statement is true. Number 6, gases have definite shape and volume. It is false because gas do not have definite shape and volume. Question number 4. Name the following. First, non-metals in gaseous state. Here you can write any non-metal which are in gaseous state. For example, oxygen and hydrogen. Number 2, metalloid. Answer, silicon and germanium. Number 3, metals in liquid state. So student, mercury and gallium, these two metals remain in liquid state at room temperature. Number 4, organic compounds. You can write any two organic compounds of your choice. For example, sugar and petrol are two organic compounds.